I searched for how to buy shares of Kosmos Energy Ltd. to demonstrate the process. Kosmos Energy Ltd. is an oil and gas exploration and production company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KOS, and this video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KOS to find Kosmos Energy Ltd. Make sure you select a NASDAQ listing that matches the company name. Open the Kosmos Energy Ltd. asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing displays NASDAQ and the ticker KOS before proceeding. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you wish to spend, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For more details, you can follow the link in the description to visit eToro.